Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about a potato face toner or a face spray and a potato face serum. So the combination of this potato face serum and the potato face toner is the best combination to remove pigmentation and dark spots marks permanently from your skin. This combination enhances your skin complexion and makes your skin really bright, glowing, even toned and supremely clear and spotless. Both of them have potato as their main ingredient, and potatoes are rich in antioxidants, anti-aging and has amazing skin bleaching as well as skin lightening properties into it. So if you have any dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation or any types of marks on your skin, then this combination of this face toner and this face serum will completely remove all of that and will make your skin really bright, glowing, even toned and supremely clear and spotless. So to prepare both these home remedies, you firstly gonna need potato. Here I'm just taking these two potatoes and now I'm just cutting these potatoes into half, and after cutting them into half, now we'll grate these potatoes to make a smooth paste out of it. And if you don't want to grate the potatoes, then you can even blend the potatoes into a blending jar and make a smooth paste out of it. And after grating the potato nicely, now we'll strain this potato to take out all the potato juice out of these grated potatoes. And as you can see that after straining it nicely, your homemade potato juice is ready and it will look something like this. Potatoes have skin bleaching and skin lightening properties. It treats skin pigmentation, dark spots, hyperpigmentation and acne scars. And potatoes also has the tendency to make your skin clear, spotless, glowing and much more radiant than before. Now once your potato juice is ready, now let's move on to the first home remedy, which is the potato face toner. And now let's prepare this face spray, and to prepare it we firstly gonna need half a bowl of potato juice into a clean bowl. Next up you're gonna need lemon juice, and here I'm adding approx 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into it. Next up you're gonna need tomato juice, and here I've just squeezed the tomato and took out all the tomato juice out of it. And here I'm adding approx 2 tablespoons of tomato juice into it. Next up you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, the last ingredient which you need is rose water. And here I'm using this steam distilled rose water, but you can use any rose water which you have. And here I'm adding approx 5 to 6 tablespoons of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other well. And after mixing them really nicely, your homemade face spray is ready, which will help to treat your skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and will clear out your skin completely. So now let's see how to store this face spray. So to store this face spray, you can use any spray bottle. Here I'm using this plastic spray bottle, and I've just transferred this water into this spray bottle. And yeah, you can just store this face spray in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. And to use this face spray is supremely easy. Just spritz it all over your face and neck, or you can even use it all over your body. Just spray a nice amount on your face and then pat it down into your skin and let your skin absorb this spray completely. And for the best result, you should use this face spray once or twice in a day. Now let's move on to the second home remedy, which is this pigmentation and dark spot removal potato face serum. So to prepare this face serum, you firstly gonna need sandalwood powder, and here I'm taking approx 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder into a clean bowl. After that you are going to need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that they mix with each other well. And now as you can see that the paste is a little thick and we want a runny consistency paste to make this serum. So here I'm again adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And now again I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients. And after mixing them well, now it's the time to add the potato juice into it. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of potato juice into it. After that you are going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of glycerin into it. And after the glycerin, we are going to need vitamin E oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can even use the vitamin E capsules, or you can even use olive oil. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. Now after adding the vitamin E oil, now I'm just going to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other well and makes a smooth and a runny consistency paste. Now after mixing everything really well, your homemade skin brightening and anti-aging face serum is ready, and it will look something like this. The consistency of this serum should be really runny and should be so much creamy and glowy as you can see in the video. So this face serum is really effective in treating the dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation from your skin. It has amazing anti-aging properties into it. So it will also fade away all the wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin, and it will make your skin really bright, glowing, hydrating and crystal clear. And you can store this serum in any airtight container, and here I'm just transferring this serum into this small glass dropper. And you can store this serum in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. And now let me tell you how to use this face serum for best results. So you just have to apply a few drops of this serum all over your face and neck. Just gently massage it onto your skin and pat it down into your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this serum and gives you deep nourishment and best results. And after patting it down into your skin, you just have to leave it overnight, and for the best results you have to use this serum every night before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.